guys, Crystal here from Crystal's Crazy Corner, and if you remember my mail call from earlier, we have a very large oyster that hopefully has some very beautiful pearls inside. So what I've already done is cut it open and washed it off. So we're gonna open her up, and I have a real oyster knife. Just gonna find our hinge. It's gonna be interesting. Slightly destroy a shell, I can see. I can't get my hinge to pop.
What do you think, John? RC Funds. Should she let Chris have hold of it?
No.
I get it open.
If my daddy was here, instead of his house, 'cause he's always the one that always opened up my oysters for me. Yeah, I was lazy. I know, that's the bad thing. Even though these little suckers look dull, yeah, no. I wish I'd gone and got my daddy's oyster knife.
Stand up on it and push down it.
Yeah, well, that's the thing. I don't have a towel out here. So I don't want my oyster knife to slip. I may make a hospital run tonight instead of opening up an oyster.
Oh,
there we go.
I heard something pop. And you kind of like twist your handle, you know what I mean? Once you get it pushed in, then you kind of like twist the handle side to side, and that's what'll pop it to. There you go. Now you cook on gas. Just lost the light.
Just lost one light, guys. Hang in there with me. I didn't want to open it up inside because I was afraid of the smell.
You got it popped. That's pretty much popped around. Yeah.
So I brought it outside.
Come on this side where your other fingers are. There, go right in there. Now just twist. Watch out, you don't want to ruin what's on the inside. Not going too far. Uh-oh. Getting it, guys. Gals.
My oysters,
Ladies and gents,
that I eat are not half of the size.
Yeah, go for this just to eat. I'm alright. I'm good.
Okay, guys, we have green slime.
Maybe all you get.
Come on, you sucker.
Yeah, let look of it. You keep working your way around.
It doesn't want to give up its treasure. Well, you know what? Crystal and Crystal's Crazy Corner is determined now. We're going to see inside.
Looks like me wrestling the solo battery open earlier.
Come on, baby. There we go. like I said, guys, the proper way to open an oyster is to have a towel, which I did not want to bring out here.
That is a real oyster inside right here.
Of course it is. It's just been seeded. So,
oh, look at that, guys. Wow. Check
look
that
who
out.
got lucky.
Watch your hands. Holy mother of pearl.
Look at this. Yeah. Oh, wow.
Moly. Russell, you guys chuck this oyster, dude.
No.
Yeah, she's a little raunch.
No
but,
shot.
Holy cow. Guys, check this out. Look. Let's see. Some are just loose, some are still embedded. Wow, look, there's still more. All right, guys, let's check it out. We're gonna detach the muscle, or the actual
That's
oyster
awesome.
from the shell.
Watch your
Whoa,
hand.
there went a little pearl. Can't lose our pearls. Guys, looks like I got amazingly lucky.
Who wants to chug the oyster?
Yeah, not this chickie, not that one.
Somebody buy me a tello, I'll eat it.
No shot.
I'm kidding. Oh, that's hard too. Look at that.
Oh yeah, that's like
When it's been dipped in formaldehyde.
rock hard. Ugh. Thank you for doing your beautiful job. Guys,
That's
look.
funny. What's it doing?
Oh wow, different colored pearls at that. Look at this.
Let them lay on the shell. You see more on the shell. Yep, you see the color right there.
We're gonna take these out for right now. The oyster liquor is still in the shell for right this moment. If you guys didn't know what that was.
Slurp the liquor, Russell.
No. I'm gonna finish cutting this
Cat,
out.
you want this?
The shell alone is beautiful on the inside, so I'm gonna use it as a display
The old
for this for right now.
That's crazy. Like, I thought
You
it
get
was
one
a joke.
attached to that.
Oh yeah, one little pearl still trying to hang on, going no, 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 please don't. Oh, oops.
That's crazy. I thought that
Oops.
stuff was a joke.
Another little pearl.
The black pearl.
Oh, that would be amazing.
It's cold out here, but this is worth it.
Yeah, guys. Like I said, I didn't want to stink up the house. Make sure. Yeah, I'm squishing oysters. Oh well. This is totally worth squishing oysters. Worth me being outside in the cold for.
We're going 8 minutes in. So.
I'm just going to give them a quick squeeze here. Stick them right in here for now.
Yeah, I'd keep the shells and clean them up too. That's cool.
Oh, they are amazing.
We're going in the warmth and
Check it out, guys.
rinse them off and seek the treasure. Then seek the, I guess we'll have to clean off the treasure. That's crazy. That's a lot of pearls.
This poor little oyster has been put through overtime.
$14?
$15.99. Amazon.com. I will post the link below.
Guys, you ain't I mean, that's awesome.
It is a real oyster. The pearls were seeded. Normally, if you get lucky enough to find a pearl in a natural setting, it's an amazing situation. If you don't know how, oh wow, look at this. A dual color pearl.
Nice. It's like the eyeball.
If you don't know, a pearl is made when a grain of sand gets underneath the actual organ of an oyster. And what it does is it tries to make it go away. So it turns that little teeny tiny grain of sand into these beautiful creatures here. And this one's actually stuck in the shell. I'll have to dig that one out. So guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for checking out Crystal's Crazy Corner. You never know what's going to happen in my crazy corner. As you can see, today we've discovered treasure. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button. Love you guys.